The Arturia DrumBrute Impact 1984 drum machine combines punchy analog drum voices with a compact, performance-friendly layout that feels great to play. Its 10 fully analog instruments cover kicks, snares, toms, cymbals, and hi-hats with enough character to sit confidently in techno, house, hip-hop, and experimental tracks. The 64-step sequencer is intuitive yet deep, offering per-step accents, swing, and pattern chaining that make live improvisation feel very immediate. Multiple synchronization options over MIDI, universal serial bus, and clock formats make it easy to integrate this drum machine into both hardware and computer-based setups. Dedicated knobs and buttons for almost every function encourage hands-on sound shaping, from quick pattern edits to detailed tweaking during a performance. The built-in distortion on the main output adds a gritty musical edge that can push the analog drums from warm and rounded to aggressively saturated when needed.